Suzuki GN125, 1994 to 2001, review. Should be a reliable workhorse. With incredibly low running costs, modest but useful urban performance and funky retro looks, the Suzuki GN125 is an ideal about-town motorcycle or learner bike. Incredibly easy to ride, with a reliable engine and minimal maintenance, the Suzuki GN125 is forgiving and a great confidence builder. Lousy brakes and finish let it down a bit, but, for a real-world workhorse, it is a bargain. Ride quality and brakes. The natural riding position means the Suzuki GN125's comfortable, even over longer distances. Suspension is on the soft side but manages to deal with everyday roads, but the brakes, especially the front, lack bite. Handling's light and the ride's confidence inspiring and stable. The GN125 can get vibey at higher revs, however. Engine. The Suzuki GN125 engine's taken from the earlier GS125 machine, which came out in 1984, so it's safe to say it's proved itself. A simple but reliable single, it's nippy enough in town, although runs out of breath on the open road and hills can present a problem if you're in a hurry. It can be stroppy when starting from cold. Needs plenty of revs. Reliability and build quality. The Suzuki GN125 is a tough little bike with a trusted engine and chassis. The finish isn't marvelous, rust around welds and shoddy paintwork are common complaints. However, the styling's cute and nice touches include chrome indicator stalks and mirrors. A lack of cheap plastic gives the Suzuki GN125 some retro appeal. Value versus rivals. A good, no-frills budget learner/commuter motorcycle. The best bargains can well be ex-training Suzuki GN125s where any damage is cosmetic but engines are sound. Parts are cheap, insurance is a giveaway, and mind-boggling fuel consumption figures mean the Suzuki GN125's ideal as an inexpensive runaround. Equipment. The Suzuki GN125's clocks are simple and, bizarrely, there's a gear indicator but no fuel gauge. There's also a long, comfy seat, with plenty of pillion space and a grab rail. The mirrors are good but almost too wide, owners complain of hitting cars whilst filtering. A few car drivers complain too. There's also a small toolkit with the Suzuki GN125. Specs. Engine size 124 cubic centimeters. Engine type 2V single cylinder, 5 gears. Frame type steel cradle. Fuel capacity 10 liters. Seat height 735 millimeters. Bike weight 105 kilograms. Front suspension none. Rear suspension preload. Front brake single disc. Rear brake drum. Front tire size 90/90x19. Rear tire size 180x18. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 80 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £22. Annual service cost £30. New price. Used price. Insurance group 4 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage. Top speed and performance. Max power 12 brake horsepower. Max torque 7 ft-lb. Top speed 70 miles per hour. A quarter-mile acceleration. Tank range 175 miles.